In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a GitHub repository. This process is vital for developers who want to work on a project locally or collaborate with others. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to copy any GitHub repository onto your local machine using Visual Studio Code. So, let's get started and dive right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the repository you want to clone on GitHub. Open your preferred web browser, head over to GitHub, and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the repository. The repository is basically a folder or storage space where all the files of a project are kept. It's essential for you to be on the main page of the specific repository you wish to clone. Now you'll notice a green button labeled Code situated just above the list of files. Go ahead and click on it. Once clicked, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll see two primary options for cloning: the HTTPS URL and the SSH URL. Let's go over these briefly. The HTTPS URL is generally recommended as it's straightforward and doesn't require any additional setup apart from a simple sign-in. If your SSH keys are configured and you're familiar with SSH connections, you could opt for the SSH URL instead. Regardless of your choice, copy that URL to your clipboard. This URL is fundamental because it serves as the web address that Visual Studio Code will use to download the repository to your machine. Next, open Visual Studio Code, a powerful and popular code editor among developers. Once vscode is up and running, you should press Ctrl+Shift+P on your keyboard. This shortcut opens the command palette, a tool that lets you access various features and commands within vscode quickly. In the command palette, type git clone. As you start typing, you'll see an option appear that says git clone. Select this option to move to the next step in the process. Once you've selected git clone, you'll be prompted to paste the repository URL that you copied earlier. Simply right-click in the input field and paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. After pasting the URL, hit enter to proceed. Now you'll need to choose a local folder where you'd like this repository to be stored on your machine. This can be any folder of your choice on your local drive where you keep or plan to manage your coding projects. Once you've selected an appropriate location, click the Open button, and Visual Studio Code will begin cloning the repository. The cloning process might take a few moments, depending on the size of the repository and your internet speed. After the process completes, you'll see the cloned repository's files displayed in the Explorer panel on the left side of Visual Studio Code. Congratulations, you've successfully cloned a GitHub repository to your local environment. Now you can start exploring, editing, and working on the project as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was informative and helpful. See you in the next video.